friends, I hope you all are hale and healthy. Today I'm going to share the recipe of chicken karahi with you all. So enjoy. First, add some desi ghee in a pan. Add chopped onions and let it fry. Stir them well until they change their color to golden brown. Ginger garlic paste inside it and stir well. Stir for 1 minute. Add 3 sliced tomatoes and 4 to 5 chilies inside. Stir well. Now use a blender to blend it until it forms a fine paste. Next, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of grounded chili, and 1 tablespoon of salt. You can alter them according to your taste and likings. Stir well. Let it simmer for a few minutes. For it to change its color. Next, add chicken inside it and stir well. After that, cover it up and let it cook for 17 to 15 minutes on low flame. Next, add yogurt inside it, but make sure to add it gradually and keep stirring or the yogurt will form lumps inside it. Keep on stirring. Let it cook for 7 more minutes. Add garam masala and green chili in it and stir well. Fry it well and let the oil come at the top. Chicken is almost ready. Serve it with a chapati. Enjoy the meal to the fullest. Consider subscribing and please remember to click the bell icon so you can get the notification of our upcoming videos. Thank you.